comes to headaches, the most effective treatment is a chiropractic adjustment. Once we've determined that there's a structural misalignment referred to as a subluxation, then it is a chiropractic type of problem and it can be helped. We have someone who's been diagnosed with a cervicogenic headache caused by spinal subluxation in the neck. So I want to show you the most effective technique that will get that corrected. With a structural problem, no pill, no shot, no potion, no stretch could actually realign a misaligned bone in the neck. The only thing is a chiropractic adjustment. So we found the spots. I'm going to show you the technique that we use called diversify. So what we're going to do is we identified the areas of subluxation already. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to find that spot and we're going to do a slight adjustment right to that area. And it's also on the other side. So we're going to adjust another segment, and that's the adjustment. The adjustment is very effective, very pain-free. It's actually very relaxing. It is a non-invasive technique to cure and fix headaches.